Is your car ready for winter? Visit Midas for tires and all your car care needs. Right now at Midas, with the purchase and installation of 4 tires, you'll receive a free winter maintenance package. Be safe. That's the Midas touch.
Jimmy, if I was a super one, particularly, how spicy would I be?
Hot, man. Very hot. Deliciously hot.
Get a great deal on 10 or 20 perfect weight spices just right now at 2-for-1 Pizza.
Steelers leading the Giants 7-3. 4:33 remaining in the first. Pittsburgh ball on the 31, and they line up with 3 tight ends. Miller, Matt Spaeth, and Sean McHugh. Only 1 receiver lined up, and the flag goes down, and they went to Hines Ward. But we'll have a false start penalty against Pittsburgh.
False start. Number 86. Offense. 5-yard penalty. First down.
Bill Carollo, our referee, now in his 20th season. Early game headliners, Drew Brees. 3 touchdowns in London as the Saints beat the Chargers. Brian Westbrook coming back in action, getting 2 touchdowns for the Eagles. Santana Moss as a receiver, a big day, and an 80-yard punt return for a touchdown as well.
You just kind of thought going into that game that Drew Brees was going to play well against his former team.
First down and 15 with the empty backfield. Roethlisberger still trying to find a receiver, and he does. Close to the 40-yard line. The catch made by Hines Ward. And close to the first down, maybe shy by a half a yard.
We're going to see Hines Ward. He expects the ball there, but it doesn't come out. He keeps himself alive. He keeps working across the field. Ben Roethlisberger able to find him, and the reason was because he keeps his play alive. He's in the line of scrimmage. This is what he does. Sometimes he'll retreat in the pocket. That's one of the reasons why he's one of the most sacked quarterbacks in the league. But with that, he's able to make plays like he did there.
And Ward, the leading receiver on the Steelers. Second down and 1 with under 4 minutes to go. The well-beat Moore. And the Giants gang up on him. And let's see if the forward progress will be sufficient.